Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So we have wait for a long time of the upcoming Google Pixel 4a, and I make a lots of videos, but now another update about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a, and that is Google Pixel 4a inches closer to be launched as it get FCC certified. The upcoming Google Pixel 4a was supposed to arrive in May, but the launch got delayed to June, then July, and recent report claimed that the 2020 Pixel is not coming before October. There is no official word from Google yet, but a Google smartphone, which is likely the Pixel 4a, has been certified by the USA FCC, meaning it took closer to launch than ever. FCC lists a Google phone with three different model numbers: G025 and G025M and G025J, with the last one likely being the USA model. The document shared by FCC also revealed Google will option for an E label to keep the back of the smartphone devoid of any marking for a clean look. Additionally, the FCC filing include a complete list of wireless band the smartphone will support. As you can see, this is the product feature and smartphone specification. As you can see on your screen, this is the full chart. So the previously leaked render have revealed the design of the Google Pixel 4a, and rumor have to the smartphone will have Snapdragon 730 SoC at the helium with a 6 gigs of RAM and two storage options, 64 gigs and 128 gigabytes, rumored to cost $299 and $349 respectively for 64 and 128 gigabytes storage. The Google Pixel 4a will support a 5.81 Full HD plus OLED screen with a punch hole in the top left corner for 8 megapixel selfie camera. Around the back you will get a single 12.2 megapixel main camera joined by a fingerprint reader. Powering the mid-ranger will be 3080 mAh battery, which will charge at up 18 watt through a USB-C port. Camera is on the back side one and front side is also one. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixel camera with a LED flash and 4K at 30 FPS video recording. This is the rumor says, and front-facing is the 8 megapixel 1080p at 30 FPS video recording. The 3.5mm headphone jack is also available, and the charging speed is 18 watt, and two color option available is one is the black and second one is the blue. So this is the latest report about the upcoming Google Pixel 4a. Let's see when this phone is launched, because I make a lots of video and this phone delayed lots of time. So let's see in upcoming days, and make sure to guys like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. And if you have any question about this smartphone, let me know in the comment section. I try to answer it, and hope you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.